Brit, just look. Just look. You feel our great-great-grand aunt, you know? She's so beautiful. But I'm sad because we lose the tail from around 3 years now, but the
This curse is just killing me. I need my tail back.
spell gone wrong.
Even though it's in fast, it's 2 legs. But still, I need back my tail.
Me too.
It just seems like the world is coming to an end. Where's sis? Where's sis?
I think she's at home.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. If for the first time you watch a channel, you subscribe. Where they are going to kick to round, you know what I mean? Alright, go on through. Yeah, man. Watch it. Watch a goal. Watch a goal. Leave it now.
1 goal.
Give me. Come back, just turn up the That is it, man. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life.
No. Run. Oh my God. Run. Oh God, what is this? Shit, me have to call Shelly. Hello? Shelly? Come over, me need to see you. This is Auntie. No, man, me have a weird dream, man. Come over now. Alright? Okay, make it possible.
Auntie!
Come, Shelly, come. Lord God, come on, come. Come, sit on my people. Come. Morning, what go on?
Here.
Me say me day I clean up and kind of feel tired, you know? So I say me come lay down and take a snooze. So me lay down and all of a sudden me just start have a wicked nightmare, you know? You know the river down the road there, so?
Yeah, me know river.
Yeah. Me dream so me go down the sand, me say me go take a wash off. When I go down there, me see something in the water. But it's like, you know, it'll go round like a fish. So me I say, but no fish in the water here. But you want to look like it's a big shark, you know? But it's no shark in this. This is weird. So by the time now, me start to take off my clothes and something just grab me on my foot, you know. Yeah, man, just hold on to my foot and me did a shake and me a shake. Until me start shaking and then some people over the other side of what's something. Me I tell them say for run. And me just start run and me look back, me I tell you like this something and run off me and me run. And me just wake up and me see and say, me have to call you. And tell us, don't go down there so go wash no more.
But we love your river.
Me know, but something in the water, man, me I tell you, me see it. Something in the water, man. Something down there. And a fish, me say.
Auntie, nothing in the water.
Me I
just
tell
a bad
you.
dream.
You know what happened? Only young people don't listen to all I hear, you know. That's no problem. You have to listen. Me I tell you, stop, go down there no more. Because just as me take off my clothes, you go start swim. Me just sit and go round in a circle. Me say, no. I'm not fishes. I'm going to pray it good. I want like a shark.
Auntie, nothing I go do. Me don't believe so nothing in that river. The river water, you know.
A mermaid in there. You ever hear about mermaid? Your great-grandmother used to tell me, my great-grandmother, which is your great-great-grandmother, used to tell me about mermaid. Mermaid real, Shelly, me I tell you. It's real. They're half fish and they're half human.
For me, a little bit in the group, me I hear about mermaid, this and mermaid that. And I go here wherever I never see one before. So how come mermaid reaching there now?
I
It's
don't
just
know.
a dream, Auntie.
No, I don't think it's a dream. This thing real, me I tell you, this thing real. And after the time I dream anything, it always goes so. Tell your friend them and your cousin gonna always go down go bed and don't do down there. No go back down there, me I tell you.
That's it. I'm here planning for that river tomorrow. Ain't nothing wrong with the river.
If you don't want to listen, anything happen, they'll go for that barrel now. Or whatever it may be.
No, I'm not going to do your Auntie. Everything
Alright. Can't say me never want to know.
Yeah, right. But I'm going to go over here, guys. Because I go check my friend.
Alright. Shelly, be careful.
Yes,
Yeah, my niece and I love you very much. Be careful, Shelly.
And Auntie, one more thing.
Wow.
It don't make sense me go over there go tell my cousin them that, you know, no about mermaid, because they're going to laugh at me, you know.
Well, Shelly, guess what? Me, I go over there, I go want them myself. Since you don't want to listen and you don't want to go over there, go tell them I want them, me, I go over there. This is not a dream. Me, I tell you something real, a vision. I something say for true, I go on now, now, listen. So me, I go over there. Don't worry your head. Me, go over there, go want them.
Alright, Auntie, love you later.
Yeah, love you too, Shelly. Later.
I would ask that. Yeah?
Hey, Auntie, open the door.
Hold on, that's all.
What on? Me there.
Morning, Auntie.
Morning. When the young people are listening, I come over for food to warm. Listen. I'm over the yard and I'm over there clean up and decide to go down a little bit. I have a nightmare. You see the river they want to like, we go bathe and go wash. Or whatever I do down there. We need to stop down there. We are not for the truth, I tell you. Mermaid in the water.
Oh, Auntie, come on.
Mermaid. Listen. I don't know say anything on an auntie dream, a dreamer. And anything me dream and think, don't it always come to pass?
Yeah.
Eh? I don't know some auntie loving, alright?
Yes.
Alright, so now for you to listen, me I tell you say my dream said me lay down, alright, me lay down cross with the bed and my dream said me go down the river to go take a wash. As soon as me take off my clothes, something go up on the foot and me have to do it, I shake and me look. It's like a big fish. And me have to shake until me get out of the water. When I plan to go on the toilet, when I sister, don't go down there, me I tell you now. Learn to listen. When you head tough, I will not listen. I'm not laughing. I see one big old smirk on your face. I'm not laughing. Stop the laughing. I'm serious. When you know someone auntie love you know. And you know if you want to see nothing happen to you, alright?
Alright, Auntie.
Alright. Don't go down there. I tell Shelly for one, Shelly she'll laugh and she don't want to listen to me. So I said, come here, come want to know.
Alright, Auntie. We now go down there.
Don't go down there. Alright, later. Me soon, me later.
Okay, Auntie.
Alright, take care of yourself. I don't want to hear something happen, you know.
Auntie, we now go down
I don't want when I turn my back and go hear something going on something happen too now. I can't say no auntie never want me because I might not come back alive. This thing is real. A long time I hear about it and I see it for myself. Every time I dream something, it always comes to pass. I'm serious. Alright, sooner or later.
Alright, Auntie.
Alright, later. Love you now.
Love you too. Me, the guy, even know like I will tomorrow. What kind of batik are we? Orange batik with a tube top on a bottom. Well, I'll link up some people because maybe they don't want forward.
Tiana, open up.
Come in.
What's up?
Yeah,
You good?
man.
I don't come with I'm going in because I talk to Denise, but she not listen to me. You know she's there already. She probably might listen to you because I'm a good friend. You know, so I don't tell me my friend from now on. Why? Once I'm over the house, you know, me there clean up and kind of feel tired, you know. So I'm going to lay down and take a little snooze and just start to have a dream. So I'm going down the river. You know the river down the sun? I go down there and try for all last one. Just as I start to take off my clothes to get in the water. Well, me in the water, but I take off my clothes. If you something go up on my leg, you know, I look at one fish. But I said, no man, fish can't big so. So I start to shake until I get in front and I start to run and, you know, I run. And I realize I'm a mermaid.
Mermaid.
But you know, say anything me dream, it always come past. You know that?
Mermaid. Dream no real.
No man, dream real sometimes. Man.
No,
Sometimes I vision, you know.
Dream no walk straight.
May I tell you, sometimes I vision, man. Sometimes some people just go lay down and them see things clear as crystal.
Dream
But
no
you-
walk straight. Dream no walk straight. You can't see mermaid.
No man, you have to believe me, man.
Dream no walk straight.
No, believe me. May I tell you, come on, my niece, but she not, you know she not listen.
Dream no
She might
walk
listen
straight,
to you
man.
because you're not a good friend, you know what I
Dream
mean?
no walk straight.
Why am I not if you telling us
No
so
mermaid.
again?
No dream no walk straight.
Me I warn you, no, go down the back. Me know, no love going to go take a look at swim and wash and whatever. I don't go down, go gland. No, go back down there, sitting right down there.
Dream no walk straight. Yo.
So you don't believe either?
No, kind of
You
walk
talked to
straight.
Shirley this morning?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Because I call her over me, I talk to her and she tell me the same thing. But me I say, I think could I get to you for talk to her because I'm not a good friend.
Do you know what's straight?
Well, I mean, if you do again, you know.
There's something that's bite me. Something bite me. Girl, I want to bite you.
Anyways, you're good at everything, so...
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm good, but I pray someone listen to me still.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so if anything later.
Alright, later.
Alright. No, tell Shelly to come over here, do you know?
I mean, I'm not tell her.
No, no, tell her. Because she don't believe me either. She think my cook in the head, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Alright, later. I trust it. What do I have to do here because I have to protect my family. My niece, them now listen to me. And you know, say, same thing right down there. I know what, yes, everything is good. My four parents tell me, say, boy, you have to do a little things, so I'm going there right now and do what I have to do and protect my family.
The way I'm beautiful, I made the rain fall. The way I'm beautiful, I make the water bubble. The way I'm beautiful, I can make the sun turn anywhere into fire. Oh, my turn. What? You feel like what, Molly? You feel talking rat. Have a gully monkey. Oh, please. Alright, what? Okay. My beauty made man cry. You're dreaming, darling. He's trying to be like her. Oh, never. No, I'm gonna get her. Alright, so what do you guys think? Take a swim? Yeah, we can take a swim. Oh, you think? Okay. I think it's better to hide somewhere. Hide? Do you think it's safe to take it alone? Please just. Alright. Woo! Woo! Alright, girls. We need to cross the barrier. You know we can't. We can. It's very dangerous. We can. We can't. We can. Remember the war? So? What do you mean so? We cannot cross it. It's very dangerous. The dry landers don't like us. And we don't like the dry landers. So why are we going over there then? Because we own the water. We owned it. But we're not talk about. So that means you never did learn anything in a class yet? No, I was sleeping. In Mermaid school? So, are you crazy? Very crazy. Haven't you heard about the golden stone? It alone can help you to cross the barrier. Yeah. Look, when you are at Mermaid school, please don't sleep in class because you're gonna miss out on a lot. A lot of things. Okay. There was a war going on between the mermaids and the humans.
We're not here to hurt no one. You have taken a lot from us, a lot from our ancestors. We don't know who you are or where you're from, but we're asking you to leave us alone. Go back where you come from. Go. Mermaids and merman, go. We don't want you here. You are not welcome. And you are here disturbing us. Go back. Go.
People. Okay. Yes. There was a war, so we are banned from crossing the barrier. And they are also banned. Okay. So,
you get it? Okay. Back in the day, there was a war between the clan, this clan, and the landers. So we are forbidden to cross. If we go over, we will die. Okay, let's go. So stay away from it and don't even think about going over there. Let's go. Let's go. The last time I checked, I mean, my friend alone did come down here. I never come down here to see you. Who are you?
Is there and I'm from the water. What is your name?
I'm Jada. And when I say from the water, what do you mean?
Under the water. Just go under the water. Me mean under the bottom of the water.
Under the bottom. And this is water here? Bro, stop the joking. Where you come from?
I don't know what to tell you, but we come from under the water. So, how you live? Where you live?
On the land. You're from under the water. I'm from on the land, okay?
Oh, so you're a land girl. Okay. So where on the land you live?
Well, I come from a beginner tree. And yes, I'm a land girl. Give me a minute to go check for my cousin and then we get back to you. Girl, it takes so long to come back. If I don't know what you bite you, I say like something bite me. Anyways, girl, I'm find one new friend. See me down there, so.
Who you talking? I don't see nobody.
I just see somebody down there, so.
But I don't see nobody. I don't see something.
I see somebody down there, so. He even asked me my address. And me asked him for address and he said he come from under the water. Don't come mad, me I'm mad. Me I leave you so you don't come in. Me I get afraid.
Fire. Fire. Yeah, what going on?
There, come talk to visit the boss. Why not tell you?
Like how you have near sight or far sight. I saw me have near hearing, so you have to come closer.
I mean, man.
What?
Yeah, boy, me did the yard in yesterday and me did a clean up and me go lay down cross up become the kind of feel tight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And boy, me say me have a vision. I have a vision that man because anything me vision it always come true. In a dream it always
And
come
from
true.
when me I tell you say, if you try vision, the latter number. We can
True,
save
that
yourself.
true. Yeah, that's
But
true.
every that vision I get, but you not get latter.
Man, that's a true. That's a really true, true reasoning. So, anyhow, me there the yard and, me do go lay on cross the bed and me get the vision. Go down to the river for go take a little swim, because the day they hot. So, me down there and by the time I go into the water and start to take off my clothes, see, it just grab me from my foot in the eye. Oh, me look now one fish. I mean, but no fish, no big stuff. Oh, me look now one mermaid. So, me shake and fight off and me, run, come up. Me come up now, me I tell me niece Shelly, because you know, so they love go down and go beard and do them little thing. Shelly now listen to me. They might give me and tell me so nothing no go so. So you know, so she have a little friend, what's your name again? Where best friend name again? Boy, sometimes I can't remember name. No man, she have one best friend, man, when she always, me can't reason with her. She will listen to her, she will listen to Shelly. Shelly will listen to her. What's your name again? Can't remember the daughter name, you know.
No worry about that, man. That partner important, what's your name? Because you no go D, you no go there. What me I say to you now? What does the vision say? In the vision, you go down by the river, go swim, and I dream the wall up your foot.
Hold me on my foot,
And in the same vision, you go tell them.
I go tell them, I tell Shelly. I call Shelly over and Shelly come and me a reason Shelly. But Shelly not believe me. So you know, Shelly have two little sister there, Rihanna. I forget what the other one is. Because sometimes I'm not even good with name. So me a reason with her to them all laugh after me and say nothing no go so. So she have a best friend. I'm going to reason with the best friend because she's a friend, close and she will listen. But even she too now listen, they don't believe nothing now. So you what me have to do now? Me have to do my little thing where, you know, our local ancestors do and go down there and, you know, because them have to go and stuff like that.
You know
what I
the
mean?
history and what go on already.
Yes, enough things going back in the days.
And even my uncle losing life with one of the merman them.
Remember that?
Yes, so
Remember that?
I have the scars to show. You know what I mean? So I've been getting some vision too, you know, myself. But I not to follow them to practice. But now that you see I get the same vision.
You get the same vision.
That means
same vision.
Some evil I come forward.
I mean, I try to tell them every time I see my vision something, it always come to pass, you know. But them now listen, all the one Shelly, she just laugh after me and say, Auntie, you don't know what you're talking about and blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? But them now listen. You see, young people don't listen to the old head, you know. Because them feel say we don't know nothing. You see what I say?
I go talk to them.
You have to talk to them.
Because
you have to do something.
Them know history of the mermaid them. Because the mermaid them can walk on land with 2 foot just like we. You can't really tell the difference with them. But we have the secret something. Did you give them none of the power that you have down there?
Me carry it down there and go do what me have to do.
But go give them, find one of them and give, me have some still. Me go check them in the morning. And give them some of it. So that means say, anybody who come on them is strange, then just touch upon them and when they see them, it burn them, they know say, is a mermaid or a merman that.
True.
Yeah,
true.
because you can identify them such way. So but anyway, know yourself, man. Because you know say you can smell them blood from them. You, yeah. So we gotta figure it out.
Yeah, all the one Shelly, she not listen. Shelly know how me love them. My brother putting them in a man. You know what I mean? That's how me having a life for my brother putting them. And then all she should have listened to me and say, Auntie, you know something, everything you dream, it always come true.
It's really our fault still.
True.
Because
the
after the treaty was signed and them get the river and we get the land and we are free part of the river, for them to go part of the land still. There's boundary there.
Yeah.
But as time go by, you know, say the treaty mean nothing. The paper mean nothing to nobody really anymore.
True.
Because I see some youth going over that direction and I tell them, so don't go over there, go on fishing. Because there's something over there that's secret and it must stay that way. So who over there, them have for them life to live over there. Them eat for them fish over there, we eat free fish come over here. So we can't go over there, so go trouble for them things. Because we know say we are stir up some little things. But anyway, we're not worried about that still. But the vision I'm get though, the one where I come, they are very vile. Because them come from a evil spirit. We don't know them have an evil power where them will come with vile. So we go see and see what go on. So what we go do? I go reach out and then we go get my things them back together. Because when they come, once you attack one, you know, so them stronger human.
I see my niece Shelly, man, me I tell them, man, that girl you know listen, you know. She don't listen higher, so you have to definitely knock some sense in them head and make them know say you pre the thing too. I go up there, so I now go down here so.
Oh, you are cut out?
Yeah, me I cut out. Tomorrow, bright and early tomorrow, me I cut out.
Alright, but with me there, when we go to ensure somebody put out some little thing around your family them, and just say,
yeah,
they put some alert.
Yes.
Just in case don't come across.
Yes, definitely.
We can see what going on.
Yes.
Alright. So, see, heads up, man, because we have to stick together this time.
Alright, so.
Alright.
Bonnie down.
Wait there. Now you miss the other day down the river.
Yeah, I miss you, man. You know,
So what you do you so?
You know, say me and people them can't go, so we run away.
Oh, so what you do? Follow me? Okay, sis. But like how you say, your people them not really plan peace alike. You can't come stay with me because my parents them gone foreign and me only live with my cousin them. So
You know, say, from me see a river, do you want to listen me like it?
To be honest, I kind of like it too.
Okay. So, which way I live?
Right down there, so a couple minutes walk, it's won't reach.
Alright.
Alright.
You say that you want to not take long?
No.
I can't walk too long from foot them. It's hard to hurt me.
So what if your foot them stuff?
No, me is more of a swimmer than a walker. If you understand.
You know, some of them they are going to look for. They go introduce my boyfriend to me.
Yahoo?
My boyfriend.
You see me doing Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay.
So what your name?
My name is
Zay? Oh. Well, I'm here, my friend I walk go up the road and go take a one drink and come back, you know? You know me stay already.
You know, man.
My treat you good?
Yeah.
Take care of my cousin, you know.
Yeah, man, that's alright. That's good.
Oh dear. Where you go now?
I want me to go meet, so I'm going to turn back now since I come see you now.
Oh, so go on then now.
Come on.
No, no, hold no hand do you know. You're still young. Go on.
Alright. I received some information of some mermaid, right? Mermaid then they can take human form. They can walk 2 foot, but they can't tell the difference, right? When they come from land, but they're 10 times stronger than a normal human being, right? And they are smart too. They're aggressive. Now, how you detect a mermaid? This can detect them. Hold it on. You put this now a mermaid and I'm a drop, you're going to burn them. It's like salt to cut. You ever get cut and put salt in it? This is what this do to them skin. Jerk them skin and make them not afraid of this. This is an ancient dust. Ancient dust. You know what I mean of ancient? Long time ago. There was peace between the land walkers and the mermaids. We used to live as one, but in the midst of everything bring jealousy and corruption when it should have been love. But from the war start, we have become an enemy to them and they have become an enemy to us. So when we're young and we think say they're done with because we war and then we do a peace treaty where there was a place where they live and we live and they cannot come across. But now that has been breached. I hear from somebody, one of the wise one, tell me that she got a vision. When she get a vision and I'm getting the same vision too, that's a problem. So they are gonna come. And when they come with war and they come with love. They're easy to make people fall in love with them and then they'll kill you when they decided to kill you and they're done using you for whatever reason. Human beings want to find them and to suck them blood and see what they're made of. Some scientists want, that's what the big deal was about. The scientists them trying to use them for experiments. I was not part of it, but my family them get involved and some of them got killed. Even who didn't innocent, never involved in it, get killed. So don't think say you're gonna be an exception. They find you, they will kill you, right? So don't. This is for you. You have a lot of it at home. So this is for you. Keep it somewhere in the house. So if they do come to your house and you want defend yourself, they might go because they go kill you. You just show this on them, they'll keep them off. Alright? Show it to your cousin them and teach them about it too. Tell them that the mermaids are real and the mermaids are back. A long time I don't know if there's many of the man mermaid. They're called what's the merman. Alright? I know you know about that because you must read about it in school. So the merman them is real, not a story anymore. Right? And you know how it go. Them have scale only when they're underwater. They have skin when they're on land. Alright? So go home and tell them what I want. Because they're going to get my fish gun and all of my fish equipment them because it's going to be war. Alright?
You ready?
Alright, ready now, let's go. Where are we down?
No, I'm ready. Come on.
What go on?
Where you look for?
Did Auntie tell you about the mermaids? That they're coming?
Sure. You're next to buddy. What the falling fish?
No.
Oh, Auntie, come over there.
Look at my eyebrow. You see the mark them here, so I get it from a mermaid.
Sure.
Bite them, bite half of me. And it take
Mermaid no real. That make Auntie full of pay that foolish.
I fight with a mermaid already. And they are coming.
Coming where?
So either or either you think that they not come, they might come. So what I'm telling you to do, prepare yourself
For what?
to run. No, not run, because they're so very fast. Defend yourself. I'm gonna bring you some of the dust that they're afraid of. And I give your cousins mine already. So you get some from her too. Because when they come, listen up. You see when that lady vision things, it always happen. When she was younger, she vision and tell my uncle laugh, hey, and where's my uncle now?
I don't know.
Dead when the mermaid catch him. We have to find him what inside, bite out like a shark. Bite him. But when them check and them say that fish substance in the bite him or whatever, but there is no big fish down by the river with that size mouth to bite him. Kill him. I saw the mermaid myself.
Me, I like a Brittany. Them a tell me say mermaid no real. So how they real now?
Alright.
You want to know?
I'll go break it down to you now. You have Dr. Farland, right?
Yeah.
And you have Dr. Fish, right?
Yes.
You have King Farland.
Yeah.
And you have Kingfish.
Yeah.
You have horse pan land. And you have sea ass. Right? So you have human being pan land. If you have human being on the water, it's only logical. Wrong or right?
You kind of
Think of the theory of it.
You kind of have a point there, so.
Let me tell you something. We was one. We and the mermaid was one. They could tell when a tsunami was coming and everything was coming, but because of jealousy and human beings want to know things and destroy things, they have to stay away from us.
So
Human being is the problem at all times.
them.
Because the more we get, the more we want. We get one, the other thing say you get an injury, you want a yard. That's how we are as human beings. If them couldn't kill him outside, then kill him outside, investigate and so them stay. People are problem. They want to know what you think about the atmosphere of global warming. It's human being and them destructive self. They're messing with some things that not to do with mess. That's why we have earthquakes my time. So I'm gonna tell them, say they are coming. I don't know if there's somebody going down by the river and doing some stuff or whatever the cause in it, but I'm gonna get to the bottom of it because if them come, there'll be war and they're faster and better than us.
We got a river and we swim from morning
Alright, from
till
now.
noon. I know,
From now, don't go back to the river till further notice. You guys are restricted from the river. I'm not gonna be here to watch you guys at the river. So I'm telling you, don't go to the river unless you go with the elder lady or you go with somebody who can fight the mermaids. Alright? But I said it's a phone of life, you know. A phone of life. Alright? So anyway, I look for my spear and all them things, them all them weapons them I used back in the days and fight the war. I'm gonna link Uncle Bob, I'm gonna link Auntie Joyce and all of them who fight the war back in the days, and I'm gonna figure it out. So for now, be safe. Alright? Be safe.
Alright.
Cause I know breed yet, you know. I like you, I know breed yet.
Bye.
So
Bye.
I don't want nothing to do you. Until me breed you and get a pin out of you, and if you don't care, put it on my yard. I will see you. I will see you, yeah?
I'm going fire.
Yeah, you know, so I get myself ready. See Gideon. Yeah. Have a look over.
Why not Gideon?
There's some mermaid energy coming down.
So what?
Alright, like it's I don't see you, sorry.
Oh man!
That's some joke thing, yeah man, that's some joke.
What did I post me here with that?
Yeah, but yeah man, but yeah man, I joke.
Yeah. So what then there? What then there?
No, don't worry about it. So
Yeah.
you have to go and do for your thing, you have to do my thing. So me the defender
You're the defender.
of the Earthlanders. You are classified as an Earthlander.
Me what? I'm classified as a human being.
Yes,
Earthlander.
yes. That
I
was
go
the-
anywhere. I go.
You land on earth, you don't land on water.
Yeah.
Land, it's not on earth. Land.
But so
Earth.
the water upon the earth?
The water there on the earth,
Yeah.
but things live under the water.
Me know, but what you mean Earthlander? As long as me live on the planet, I'm a Earthlander.
Yeah.
But could I even live in a water?
No, if
Because
you live under the water, you're underwater lander.
you still a say land?
We live upon the land, the river of things in it that live. We don't
Yeah,
classify
like
them as
fish
human. We classify them as human.
As
and
fishes.
Yeah, but they have human structure. Half of them is human and half of them is fish.
Hey boy, you know you
Yeah
see
man, they're called Mermaid.
Yeah.
And the man called Merman.
Merman.
Yeah.
Oh, merman and mermaid. Why not merman and merwoman? Yeah, there's no explanation to it. Because it's not real.
No, because you have to ask the ancestors them questions.
The ancestor them.
Yes.
Them are the people who make up the story.
Before we, yeah, them.
We make up the story. You say yeah, you agree. Say it's make up, it's made up.
At first it was a story.
Yeah.
The story become reality.
Yeah, because we put in a movie
Alright.
and make people grow up and believe in it.
One-
You need to let it go now.
Alright, one day.
One day.
One day.
One day I
One
go
day,
confess and realize say yeah, chase her.
Yeah man. But you're good though.
Always good enough. When I chase fantasy.
The push no.
The puss.
Down to the push no.
Down to the puss, no. Come, a long time them a live. I'm gonna say a 9 life them have, man. Alright. Now I'm there, I go throw down some work, yeah?
Yeah.
Some research for do.
Alright, go on do your thing. Come out. Smell you. Smell you. It's not over. You're not done yet. You're not done yet. Yeah, just get attacked down by the river. Just get attacked down by the river. Yeah. I'm going to do some investigation. I'm going to do some investigation. I'm coming up. I'm gonna check out. It's just flesh wound. I get attacked, but it's not bad. It's not life threatening. I'm just a little bit winded. It was a rough fight. It was a mermaid. Nothing feels good, but it was a mermaid. We're gonna touch base later. I will talk to you. We're gonna touch base later. I'll talk to you. Burn it down. You know you're there. Brain.
Yo. Oh, go on.
Jamie, I say no. Just, we don't worry about it.
Jaja.
Yeah, man.
Hey, I want to jump off a rope. You want to watch them sitting there and I get up in the age, you know, man. You want to sing off a rope, man. You want some Jason? Yeah, tell them, man, when you're high, you know, and say they will find work, you got glass. Well, go on, let's take this.
You will go on now.
You want, ice?
No, man. I just some flesh wound. It's not really bad. I look on it for me. We top of my heart fast, but it's urgent.
Yeah.
You see me run past with a machine, right?
Yeah.
They take
Oh,
so we
chop
chop
yourself.
No, I chop one of the things, the creature them. Where is the laptop the way we work on?
Yeah, we have a laptop.
More do some research and now. New year, new time.
Hold on, go. You sure you're good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Yeah. Inside.
Alright. Search for mermaid found in the world on the internet.
What?
Search for a mermaid found on the internet. That's the first thing I want to search for.
Yeah, I do know, man. I think if I look deal with something serious, I deal with the mermaid. Type of thing. Where want to search up on Google or YouTube?
Google it.
Alright. Let me drop all of my disbelief now, right? And just pretend with it for a second. See all of what you say to me are true. Alright. I'm going to do a research as well. See it? It's a mermaid. There are 3 ways to kill a mermaid. 1, by beheading it, which is obvious. You can kill anything by beheading it, just as they have the machete today. Boom, if that don't work, it says a bronze dagger through the heart. And there's another way, which is for chemists. For freshwater mermaid, you need a large body of salt. Alright, so mermaid. Oh, but you dead, man. But you dead. Alright, may I use my phone? See it?
Yeah, do you use the phone?
Can I use my phone? Mermaid found in the internet, I say no.
Just a mermaid found.
Mermaid found.
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened now? This
What
is
part
South-
them find? What part?
South Africa. Mermaid found in Flat Bridge. That's a Flat Bridge.
So that is it. So I don't know where they want to originate from.
It says there are freshwater mermaid and there are seawater.
This one is fresh water because the river is fresh.
Good. Well, the method for that is salt.
Salt. So
Salt.
mix the salt with something.
You need to boost the salt because you're not grabbing enough salt for sure in a freshwater.
Yeah, feel yeah.
Oh.
Alright, so that's it.
Alright. Let me research this and get back to you because this will take some time.
Alright, do that because for now I will protect my yard. Because if Earth one, they're gonna come back for revenge. Alright?
Don't waste my time now.
Yeah, let me know. I gotta go. Gotta protect my yard.
Yeah, I wash man, I could wash 2 pieces of clothes for me.
You never carry them come.
If me didn't know me carry them come, me never know see I wash.
Oh, so like you come over, you can't help me.
You can't help you. You could rinse them.
Yeah, put them in the No manners.
Your name there on him? Your name right on him? Exactly.
Your name right on him?
Yeah. My girl, ease yourself. Ease yourself, my girl. You're not no place dead so, my girl. So
Oh,
ease
well,
yourself.
him not leave me alone, so I'm not leave him either.
Yeah. But look at this. Look how we don't even know how, we can't even find the word to call you. My girl, ease yourself.
If ever there, big all of that there, and I want sentence.
What if you ever? Eh? If you ever
Don't you see I'm
douche.
pretty?
If you ever douche. Which part are you pretty? My girl, don't do it. Don't do it. Listen, let me tell you this. Make me tell you this.
So, a badness you push.
I'm not push no bad this. I'm making know your place because you're not no place right there, so my girl. She get up off her fear bed, come all the way up off her bed with my boyfriend come lay down beside her mama. What kind of style that?
So how long did she touch your boyfriend?
Of course, see me? Cling on upon him like say I feel him. She not no manners.
Suppose to call the girl is cold. You know a cousin not supposed to fight over man.
She not no place that because she too obsessed. She needs to know where the meat. She cold, she not have a pillar, she not have sheet. Eh?
Jada, a man and your cousin, a family come before man. Me never hear about man come before family.
Well, if you shooting, man no come before family.
Listen to me, you see,
I
if
just
this,
promise I am not beat her.
shut up. You see, if this continue, believe me, say a boy I come out of there.
That is because what she do is wrong. Me know the one my cousin.
Exactly. No, that's not the point. I family.
So me understand my family, yes.
Listen me now, no, I told them you used to sleep first. So when time one boy come the and come like that,
Yeah, that's different.
She gonna feel left out because I used
That is
She not gonna
different.
find man.
No, because they can't call it on beside
First of
man.
all, you young,
First of all,
you supposed to have man. Look for
I am 18 years old.
It doesn't matter.
I passed the age of
No man
consent
is
long
supposed to come
time,
and live with
love.
She is wrong.
She ran, yes. And I did not say she's not wrong. She ran, yes, but her family. You're not supposed to come out here and grab up your family.
But you're not supposed to do beside her, man.
Exactly.
Matter, you no can go in.
Girl, man. What is that?
This continue, a boy come out. That's all I say. In. I'm not want to hear no more argument what I told you in your house. Serious idea. No, me just go wash out the 2 shots and then that's it. That's a serious idea. Where you going?
I go river.
You go river?
Yeah.
Again today. You know this is not changed now.
You must can't go river, man.
Yeah, we can do that, but when I wash out the 2 shots, yeah.
Alright, so when I finish, you let me know what I'm going to hear.
Yeah, man. Me can't check when me done.
Alright, little more.
Alright.
We're going to rock, paper, scissors. So we have turn with him. Since he's so desperate, we have turn with him. So alright, ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, my turn tonight, then tomorrow you have your turn. Because I can't bother with the fighting, brother. Because me and this type of person, I fight over man, I tell you that. I don't like fight over man either. So I fight over him. Me not stand up on me like you're crazy.
Yo! Come on, I'm ready. When I have the job, sit down. Make sure put on clothes on night, cause you know when you get with me, I don't want to sit and drive. You can't like your own door, jeez. Let go.
Yeah, man. Yeah. But the funny thing about it, you know, when I look out and now, I don't think you want them something, you know, because you're a hot girl, you know. You know, like that type of girl, and you know, I make some oats porridge. You know what I mean? I mean, no say anything if them ask you want to full of milk. You don't know why you want white sitting for your mouth. You love everything white in your mouth. If I know ice cream, I'm that love, you don't know. If you eat some natural something some time and something red, like hot, you know what I mean? Porridge. You know, this will be a milky product you want. Oats with, yeah, just oats without no milk. Just straight. You get some come here though. Alright. Yeah man, so far.
Girl, me see one mermaid.
You see what?
You God know me see mermaid.
Girl, if I come to swim, you swim on
You
top
don't believe me?
foolish. I'm gonna believe something like that.
Me see mermaid with you.
Oh, you see mermaid?
Down there so me see mermaid.
So she not turn down there then?
Alright, no believe me then.
I believe that. I swim. You know,
You're too afraid me see mermaid and I forget afraid about that.
you never hear a story about mermaid yet. I left out of the water, yeah.
Alright then.
Girl, but it is nice.
Yeah man, could have been nice with you.
One thing me not get. Yeah, them boys see woman in the water. What's
With
woman?
you, me see woman in the water.
Stupid this year chat. Might be actually a little bit too high. Anyway, me go over there. Me call you tomorrow.
Alright.
Where's see I make you go river tomorrow again?
Yeah man.
Alright.
Well, I'm not ordering. You want me see in the water today?
Yeah. Can I come in?
Yeah, you can come in. Just put it on. See if we can find some place to put on it.
Everything good? Hi. My name is Ali and you?
You know, say she not too talk. She not talk that much.
Hello? You know, yes, she not talk that much. She not talk too much.
You need to come back home. Tell mommy and daddy I'm not coming home. I'll find a Jylander and I'm staying with him. What? You know the Jylanders are very dangerous. They're not dangerous. They are dangerous. What do you mean by that? You have to come back home to here. Zia! 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 Where did she go? I have an idea where she is. You have an idea? Yes. Let's go. Okay. She better don't play with me because she know that I will. You know what? There's not do anything to her.
I can't talk to you 1 second. 1 second.
What you talk about?
Remember what I talk
I don't know
about?
what you talk about.
Hey girl, go some. What I'm doing?
I don't know what you talk about, you know.
She sick?
I don't know what you talk about.
That's all I say.
I don't know what you talk about. Just come on. Come on.
Think I didn't wanna, me I alone go over here tonight, but look, we have one silent, look like we have one silent treatment in our place.
What's that? Shut up. What are these? Shut up, I said. How far? Shut up, I said. Don't tell me to shut up. What's that? Stupid! What are you doing? Me, I talk to so. I'm sorry. Okay, better be. Zia.
Nothing to say, I'm cousin we come from country.
But we no favor, look on fear nose and look on fear.
So, we don't have to favor. We still a family and because we come from country.
Hello. Me just come up, me just go beer. That time for you go beer too. You're too nasty. For you come in no beer.
That's what they say.
We tell nasty people here, me tell you that. Nasty life.
Who that?
What do you mean by who that?
Me not pay it.
Then that's how long you take me beard?
No, me pay my second pay good. Fresh. See me done, me have to take, me have to be a good. Huh? Me have to come to me.
Come here.
Me have to come to you. Put on some new clothes now. Come on, put on back my clothes after come out.
Where you talking about? I think your name's Zia. You know what? You go get my head. You hear me calling you the artist. Alright.
Right? Stay tuned, man. Remember to look out for the Airbnb. Come in, come play some ball with. Bag a thing go on. Burn it up. Ready? Play the ball now. Play the ball. Play the ball. Come on. Yeah. May I come there? Play the ball. Play the ball.